Hey guys, over here I'm in my 2014 Lexus IS250. So an issue that I have with this car is this screen. I didn't do anything to it. The screen was like that in the first place. So right now I'm going to try to detail it and see if I can fix it. The product that I'm going to be using is this these makeup wipes over here. So let's see what happens. Yeah, as you can see, I made a lot of progress. There's a lot of like small scratches and stuff here and there, but it appears to be coming off. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick update. After spending 5 minutes wiping down the screen, my screen looks much better than before. All those marks that were there originally, they're officially gone. So I'm gonna show you the product that I used again. I've used this product. I picked this up from Walmart. So all you gotta do again, guys, just pick one wipe out, wipe down your screen, and it will be good as new. I'm gonna show you how the screen looks when I turn it off. But yeah, it's much better than before. If you like this video, please feel free to subscribe and hit the like button below. I will be uploading more videos in the near future. Thank you.